Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. This is gonna be, I just bought it. It is the new Game Fuel Mountain Dew. Alertness, accuracy, vitamins. You can get them at the stores for $1. And if you've never seen that top before, it's pretty cool because it's a travel top. You open it, slide it back, drink out of it, slide it back, lock it down. And instead of once you popped it open, the can is open. That's pretty cool. Here's your tutorial. I saw it, it says pull, so I pulled and I got wet. So I thought I'd just have to freaking bring this out. They got different flavors. I'm gonna try them all. This is the what is it, berry? This is the Charged Berry Blast. It's really, it's good. I recommend it. So here you go. This is how you open it. Pop it up. Whoop, gonna get wet. Slide it back, and now you can drink it. When you're done, slide it back, lock it. And it's a spill-proof cap. So, alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey, try that new Dew. And I was looking through it, and I didn't see any sucralose in it. It's all natural. Got caffeine. I don't see any caffeine in it. I mean, sucralose. And the wife and I are anti-sucralose. Make a liar out of me now. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next. I just bought it.